So now I'm gonna work on the menu, and we're gonna use the URL to do that. Okay, so let me go back right here. So I'm gonna go back to the app.js, not this one, the app, and then after the route for the friends, I'm gonna copy that, and we're gonna pass a parameter. We've done this before, so this is gonna be type, okay, like that, and then it could go back to the index. Let me get the type using the use params from React source to DOM, and then I can go right here and console log it, the type, okay, and I can go right here, and as you see, the type is now undefined because you didn't pass any, but I can go like / like, I don't know, sent, and as you see, you're gonna see it right here. Anything you type there is gonna be sent right here. Okay, so let me remove this console log, and we're gonna change those to links, the ones that we're gonna need. So any menu item. So sorry, we should have done this before, but the problem is I didn't think I'm gonna use the menu this way. Okay, so we're gonna use the friend request also for the sent request, and the last thing is gonna be for the friends. That's all. The other one not needed. Okay, so link, and it's gonna go to, and then we actually can just do it like directly. Okay, so it's gonna go friends, and then every single one of them is gonna be a bit different. Okay, so let me get the link from React right to DOM, and then I can go start from the home. This is gonna be like that without any other informations. For the friend request, we can call this request. Okay, and for the sent request, I can call this sent. Okay, and for the friends, I can, where is it? So I can call this friends or all, because we already own the friends. So you can go back right here and see, if I click in the home, it's gonna stay right here. Okay, if I click in, let me just remove that, just annoying. Okay, in the home, where is it? Okay, so this is the home. Let me remove this /. Okay, so if I click on friend request, I gotta go to request. If I click on sent request, I go to sent, and on friends it goes to all. And you click to home, go back to where you're at. Okay, so that's all. We're also gonna use these links right here. We can click them and do the same thing. Okay, because I'm not gonna show all the requests right here and everything. Okay, you can limit like how much you see right here, and if you wanna see them all, you can click see all or from the menu. Okay, that's gonna be also a very good idea. So let me go down. We have 3 of them. So we have this e tag. Let me convert that to a link. Okay, let me try again. My keyboard first. Okay, so link. Okay, and it's gonna go to /friends. Okay, /. This is gonna be for the friend request, so it's gonna be to requests. Okay, and then we can change that also. It's gonna be a link. It's gonna go to /friends, and then this is gonna be sent, and the last one right here is a link that's gonna go to /friends /all. Okay, so now if I'm here, I can click and go to all. This is gonna be sent, and this is request. Okay, so now I want to filter what we can see. So on the home page, in the home, everything is going to be visible, but if I go to the friend request, only the friend request is going to be visible, and it's going to be all of them, and the CL is not going to be also right here. Okay, so same goes for the others. So let me go to the home, go back right here. So the first thing is going to go to the first friend right wrap, which is for the friend request. We're going to take that, all this div, we're going to cut that, and then do a test. Okay, so if the type equal undefined, that means we are in the home page, then we can see it, or we can see it also when the type is equal to the type that we had, which is request. Okay, only in these two situations. Let me add it sub parentheses, then we're gonna show this. Okay, like that. So same goes for the other ones. Let me take that. So this is also only when the type equal undefined. Okay, or type equal what we had, which was sent. Okay, then we can show this. The third one is going to be this one. Same goes. This is going to be when type equal undefined. Just add it like that without a string. Okay, or the type equal all. Let me add parentheses. Forgot them. and then we're gonna show this. Okay, this is pretty obvious. Let me save. So now if we go back right here, this is the home, so everything is visible. I go to the friend request, only friend requests are visible. I go to the send request, only the sent requests are visible. I go to all friends and I see also the friends right here. Okay, so everything like in the right place. So one thing also I want, when I click right here, I mean like in the friend request, I want this one to be like the one highlighted. Okay, I want to see this is the one that's going to be below this time, and this is going to have the background. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do right here. So let's do that. So you can go back right here, and then we're going to go to the menu item where we have everything. So right here we have the active friends. Okay, so this div right here, we can use it like to do everything. Okay, so this is going to be only active when it's the page. Okay, so let me get this color actually and go to the active friends. Let me look for it. Okay, this one. So I'm gonna select that. Sorry, this is gonna be after that. Okay, and we're gonna select the small circle, and also we're gonna make the background with this color like that. So I can go right here and remove this style, and this is gonna be still fine. And then also we can take this icon right here when it's active, because without this invert it's gonna be black. So we can make it white by selecting the active friends itself, and then select the I tag, and then we can make, can use filter and then invert 100% to invert it to the other color. Okay, and that's gonna be white. So now we don't have like many tests that we can do. I can take the active friends. Let me just add this right here. So for the class name, it's gonna be a test. So first of all, every one of them is gonna have the menu item, and then the rest is gonna be a test. So if the type is equal undefined, that means that's what we're gonna have for this one. Okay, the other one, the type is gonna be different. So now as we are in the request friend, it's not gonna be active. But if we are in the home friend, in the home page friends, so it's gonna be highlighted. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, and also we can add the hover right here. So the hover 3 for this one. Okay, so when it's not active, let me go back right here. It's gonna be also, you can hover on it. So now let me go to the home. Now I want to do it for the request. So simply I can take this class name, it's just gonna be the same. So I'm gonna go to the friend request, I'm gonna go to the class name, I'm gonna paste that, and this is gonna be when the type is not undefined, when it's request. Let me add it as a string and save. And as you see, now we are on the active for the request. I go back right here, this is active. I go back right here, and this is vehicle. Also, I feel like this icon should not be visible, so I can go back right here and then go to the active friends and then select the arrow and then display none like that. So I'm not gonna have it. So now home, active, and then I can go back right here, and also let me add the R arrow or right arrow in the home. So let me take that. Yeah, so it's gonna be perfect what we are doing. It's gonna be inside the link. Okay, like that. So I can go back to the home, and now it's gonna disappear. Go back to the request. This is actually very nice. So let me go back and take the class name again, and this is gonna be for the friend request also, not this one. After this one, the sent request. So let me add it. This is gonna be when sent. Okay, and then also this one for all friends is gonna be when it's all. Sorry, the whole class name, and then this is gonna be when it's all. Let me save. Okay, it's now in the home. Go back right here, go back here, and as you see, everything is working fine without any problem. Also, this save button is gonna be only in the home page. I don't want to see it like in every single page, because this is the one that's supposed to show everything. Okay, so let me just look for him. So this is the CO. Okay, I can take that. So this is for the friend request. So in type equal undefined, then we can show it simply like that. Do the same for the others. Let me take that and then do it right here. But this is gonna be for sent. Okay, and this is also right here. This is gonna be for all, like that. It's not gonna be visible. Also in all friends, it's not gonna be visible. In the sent request, it's not gonna be visible. But in the home, it's gonna be visible. Okay, and right here you can limit like how much you wanna allowed to see how many cards do you want. So you can just go simply before mapping like here and just slice like from 0 to whatever, like 10, 20, 13. You can define like how much you want. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that up to you because I don't have like, I have one, so what I'm gonna slice from. Okay, so you can do that and just can limit whatever you want when you are in this page, and when you are in like in the specific page, then you're gonna see everything. Okay, so I feel like we've done everything. I believe so. You can look for yourself, you can add like something for the friends, like everything is done right. Okay, you can take that's what we've done in the profile and just copy it and add it as a button the same way we've done it right. Okay, so that's all. So we are close to the end. Let's see what we're gonna have next.